I'm John Middleton. I'm a supervising engineer with Watershed Protection. I work in the project design and delivery branch. Today we're at the outfall of the Meredith CIP project. Back in the 60s, drainage system was put in place and routed the stormwater 20 feet into a cave. That cave began to collapse and caused water to back up, flooding houses in as little as 2 inches of rain. We didn't have the robust drainage criteria that we have now, and we do our best to come back in and upgrade those systems. So this new system we put in is 2,000 feet of storm drain. It starts out as a 36-inch pipe, and by the time it gets down here, there's a 66-inch round concrete pipe under the road, and it transitions to a 3x8 box culvert down here at the outfall. At the highest or deepest point, we have a 23-foot trench with the storm drain sitting at the bottom. We had trench safety issues that we worked through. We worked with neighbors to protect trees as best we could. We put in a sidewalk that we put into the street so we wouldn't have to cut roots for heritage trees. At the end of the day, this project came in on schedule. I think it really shows what the city and Watershed can do to put in these complicated projects. The residents noticed immediately when we put this system online. We've had a couple of small rains and they could tell the performance was much better. We're very confident that we will pick up all that water and that we're going to protect those houses now.